Hey guys, I'm Rishabh. Welcome to SobeRish.
Woof.
Today is a very special video because we'll be making the SobeRish Special. The SobeRish Special is part of the Long Island family and is a hybrid between the Bullfrog and the Irish trash can. So first, take a shaker, and the point is to fill it up with alcohol. Let's start it off with about 30 ml of vodka and 30 ml of rum. Now that we are done with our vodka and rum, come behind with about 30 ml of gin and 30 ml of tequila.
अबे तो बहुत सारी शराब हो गई भाई.
Now that we are done with all the alcohol, come on top with some ice. After you've added your ice, squeeze about half a lemon in this. After this, give this a good shake. Now that the shaking is done, take a tall glass and pour this on top. Now that you have poured your mixture in the glass, top this up with some ice. And add on top some blue curacao. Now that this is done, for the special ingredient, take a clean Red Bull can and put it on top. So once you've added your Red Bull can, just find some space and put in a straw. Come on. So there you have it guys, the SobeRish Special. This is a hybrid between the Bullfrog and the Irish trash can. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. And just look at this beauty, you should definitely give this a try. Cheers!